Hello, and welcome back to episode 4 of Eggerton&Me. We're making Caesar salad. And it's gonna be delicious because we're taking our homemade mayonnaise in our Caesar dressing and we're gonna grill it because it's fun. So join us today on Eggerton&Me. Today we make Caesar salad. Okay, dump lemon juice. Nice. Worcester sauce, dump it. Nice. Minced garlic, dump it. We've got our Dijon, splatted it. We've got our anchovies, all chopped up. You can also use anchovy paste. Here, kitty cat. Then we whisk it. Good job. Good job. When we have our mixture, looks like nice kitty cat juice. Now we add in our homemade mayonnaise. Glorp. This is the mayonnaise we made last week. Delicioso. Nice. And we're gonna dump in Parmesan cheese. Can you dump it? Oh yeah. Mix. Mix. Oh, Caesar dressing. Oh, so tasty. Here we have romaine, cut in half, but bottoms removed. Why? Because we are regrowing our romaine, resprouting in water.
I have no hands, but I have green thumb.
Next, we take our brush, we take our oil, and we spread it on before we grill. Grill is preheating right now. Spreading on. So delicious, spreading on.
What are you doing?
I'm making Caesar salad. These are our croutons. We took.
What are you doing?
I'm making Caesar salad. We took some of our art bread and we baked it up, cut it up, and made croutons. Art bread croutons. Putting our romaine to grill. One romaine, cut side down. Yes.
Caesar salad makes your kids eat funny things, like little tiny fish and other things they might not like. Hell, Caesar, eat the fish.
We took our grilled romaine and we chopped it. Now we're ready to finish our salad. Art bread croutons in the bowl. You're gonna eat it. We're gonna put some shaved Parmesan. Oh. And then our homemade Caesar dressing. Should we mix? Oh, yes. Oh, mixing the salad. Try it. You eat it. You like it.
I like it.
Hail, Caesar. It's fun. It's classic cooking 101.